Hi guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I go by the name Dr. Achievement. Today I want to talk about how you can double your money. Okay, now wait, this is not a scam. I know someone will be thinking, this Nigeria guy. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Everybody have their different definition on how to make money. Everybody have their different theories, different plans. I know about the other guy who made a baby steps list. I've forgotten his name, Dave Ramsey or something. And the other guy who wrote a book. He wrote a book and he was talking about rich dad poor dad, and I read a book regarding richest man in Babylon. But at the end of the day, I came with my own collective idea on how to double your money, how to make your money useful to you, and you become rich. If you follow my principles, you become rich in less than 5 years. You become so wealthy if you can keep up to my principles. Now, these principles is simple: save. I got you off excited for once, right? And I told you save. I know you can't save, but you should try. Let's say you get a salary of $2,000 in a month, right? Now you can keep like 50% of that $2,000 in a month. How much is that? 50% of $2,000 in a month. Pardon me, guys. 50% of $2,000 in a month. It is keeping $1,000 in a month. All right, you're keeping $1,000 in a month and you're trying to budget yourself. God, it's not easy. It's not easy to put your everything concentrating on just $1,000. I know you will not buy the new shirt you want to buy, you will not buy the new phone, you will not buy the new whatever you want to buy, and it's so crazy to do that. But guess what? Here's the catch. Keep that 50% till 12 months. Guess what? You're having 12,000 in your bank. Untouched money, 12,000 in your bank. Guess what? You can use that 12,000 after 2 years, 24,000. If possible, you can do that, which nobody can do. It's difficult to keep 50% and leave it so. All right, but if you can endure to do this, don't worry about whatever. That is why I use the job of $2,000 in a month, because $2,000 in a month is just the minimum salary for a very low skilled worker. Like, let's say a cleaner can get $2,000 in a month anywhere. All right, now you're getting 12,000 in a year, 24,000 in 2 years. If you can do that, and not that you just concentrate on your job and you like what my principles, the way I do my own things. I used to be like, okay, now I have a job, pays me $2,000 in a month. I do some side hustles. I do some either driving job, like a cab job. All right, that brings in something on top. I do some other side hustles. Find some side hustles, like numerous side hustles are there, which you can do, which can pay you. Like you can see, I do YouTube as well, so YouTube can bring in funds to me. All right, so in that $2,000 you're getting in a month, let's say we're dividing the 50% to my pocket, to my savings, no touching. The rest 50% for my feeding. Then the other side hustles that are coming, I'll still split them into two. 50% to savings again. 15. Let's say you don't have the other side hustles, you're just having the $2,000. Then you can cut your budget. The highest paid items which you need so much the most is your rent. So after you've paid your rent, the feeding, you can cut on your feelings and more expenses. I don't mind to wear a shirt which is outdated for a very long time, because I know one thing. That one thing is that nobody cares about how my shirt is. The only thing people cares, do you look neat? Do you smell nice? I can get some perfume which some fragrance which will make me smell nice, look neat. I can keep myself neat. That is the only thing people care about. Pardon me, guys. All right, so if you're keeping that $1,000 in a month, try to do it. Once you do it and 12 months, then now look for a business which you know everything about. Like, let's talk about a restaurant business, let's talk about a whatever business relating to that niche, or small business like that which you know more about. You invest the money. This is coming from a book called The Richest Man in Babylon. He said, invest your money, make your money work for you. All right, now you're investing in that business and this money is now working for you. I know business is somebody will tell me that it does not happen like that. It's not a magic. Yeah, it's not a magic. You might struggle in the first 6 months or 1 year before that business will be stable on its own and dependent on its own. Yes, you can. Then you can manage in that 1 year, try to struggle for that 1 year. Once the business is dependable on its own, guess what? The business is bringing in money, and I used to suggest, like, if you're keeping that money for, if you're buying the business, employ workers so that you'll be 100% concentrating on your job, your primary source of income, whereas the business is just a part-time source of income. You can go there to investigate and supervise and blah blah blah, and you go back to your job. You understand? Employ some workers. Then when the business is financially stable, let's guess, like, the business is now, after 3 years now, the business is bringing you what? Let's say $2,000 again. Now $4,000 you're getting. Now you can keep another 50% of $2,000 into your savings. Guess what? In that 12 months again, 12 months to make it the 4 years, the final 4 years, guess what? You are not making you're not saving 12,000 anymore. You're saving 24,000 if you keep the $2,000 again. You can see how easy it is. Now in this savings, now let's say we extend it to 5 years. All right, you save another 5 years. You've gotten 24 plus 24 will give us $48,000. You can invest on a higher business. Let's say now you're thinking of a company, you're starting a milk factory, you're starting a production something, or blah blah blah, or you want to get a shop or a restaurant, or we have gotten restaurants already. You want to get something extra to it, like let's say you want to get a shop in a mall. Now this mall shop can, after 1 year, same sequence will bring you more money, like $2,000. Now you're getting $6,000. Then you can save $3,000 in a month. Guess what? Before 10 years, you're financially free. Like, sincerely, you're financially free. You don't have to bother yourself about money anymore. And now this time around, after you're saving more, then you can be buying those clothes which you want, those cars which you want, those things which you want. This is how to double your money and make your life more easier. I don't know, for other people who are watching right now, they will say yeah, I can do it. Well, you can do it. The thing is to put action. It's not about watching the video or looking on how to be financially free. The point is that you have to put action and make it work for you. And another thing, don't invest in your money in things you don't understand. Me, I don't understand anything about Bitcoin. I never mentioned Bitcoin. You don't go and put your money there and say it's a passive income. It does not work. Instead, you can put your time and investment in learning how to make videos on YouTube, and that is nice as well. But you know that videos on YouTube, if you're doing that, you still need something additional outside, because videos on YouTube, you can start with $100, get a camera. Like, I have a camera here, I have a light, I have whatever I need for my videos. So that is it. So that is how to double your money. That is my strategy. That is my own plain principles on how to double your money. You don't have to be spending ridiculous. I don't care whatever how I look right now. What I know, this video is going out there. Many people click to watch, and guess what? I'll make some money out of it. I don't care whoever is judging me. I don't care whatever they are saying about me. My point is that just try to double your money, and it's a gradual process. In 5-10 years time, you'll be financially free. And after that, let's say you've bought the third business. 3,000 is going to savings. Now let's say 3,000 going to savings in 3,000, 3 times 12 will give us 36,000. Now in 12 months you're getting 36,000. Then let's just endure and make it 36 plus 36. We are getting about 12 there, bringing one, we're getting about 72,000. What an awesome amount of money in your account in 2 years time. In that 2 years time, you can now start thinking big. Okay, what if I go to real estate? Okay, what if I buy houses, or let me buy some other businesses, like construction businesses. You start thinking higher, like what is it called, buying the hospital, buying something like that. Before you know, you'll be among the top class richest people, and your businesses are still functioning because you employ people. If they are messing up in your business, you fire them. Please do not employ I'll make another video regarding this. Do not employ your siblings or your family members or your friends in your businesses, all right? Because you should fire anybody without having any feelings, because if you fire somebody who is your close relative, you spoil the relationship between you and that person. Guys, this is the just a short video I wanted to make. It has been a long video. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice day. All right, bye.